In this video, I'm gonna show you how to secure a dumpster. So we have a property, and in this location, it's close to an alleyway, and a lot of people abuse the use of the dumpster, and they drive by and put their items inside it when they don't belong in our area. So what we started doing is we asked the company to help us secure this so that only authorized people could get access to it. So here's what we did. What they did is they gave us this security bar, and it's just a long, like 4 or 5 foot rod with an L-shaped bend at the end, and it looks like they tack welded a nut to the end of it so that it has a hole. So it's then going to travel through this bracket across through to this other bracket, and what they instructed us to do is get a lock with a dial combination on it and let them know what the code is so that they can open it up. So now I have this safety bar that goes across the top. It's locked, so strangers who aren't a part of my complex, they can't access it because you can only open it, you know, I mean, you could slide stuff in there, but you can't put a bunch of bags and boxes, which was the issues we were faced with. So this is secure. No way to get around it unless you cut the lock or the rod, and people can no longer dump inside of it. We were having issues where people would, you know, put couches and mattresses and just completely fill this thing up like this high, and the company was charging us extra money due to that abuse. So that's what we had to do. I hope that gives you an idea of what you can do if you're having the same issue.